Hi, to make calls with the help of your Google Pixel Watch 3, as a first step, you will need to press this crown to open list of apps. And here you will need to find phone app. So just rotate the crown until you can see this phone section. Select it. And now you can find 4 tabs: favorites, recents, contacts, and dial pad. So if you got a SIM version, then you can make calls directly through your watch. But if you got Wi-Fi version like I do, then you can call from your watch, but it will be redirected to the phone. So you basically call with the help of your phone. Let me show you. We can tap on contact, choose contact which we want to call, and here tap to call it. And as you can see, this call is redirected to the phone. So that is what I was talking about. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.